So children, coming to the volumes of cylinders. Okay, volumes of cylinders. So we were doing in R.D. Sharma, which exercise children 22.2. 22.2 R.D. Sharma, 8th class. Okay, R.D. Sharma, 8th class. Okay, so 1 to 11 over, 12 to 22 over. Today we will do 23 onwards, children, 23rd some onwards. Okay, 23rd question, first question. Vedant is not there, Pravalika is there. Okay, Nandika, are you there? Cylindrical container with diameter 56 centimeters. Diameter is 56 centimeters. Sujit, diameter is 56 centimeters. Okay, contains sufficient water to submerge a rectangular solid of iron. A rectangular solid is there. Please see here, children. Of a rectangular solid is there of dimensions. Rectangular solids of dimensions. This is 32 centimeters. This is 22 centimeters. This is 14 centimeters. Okay. Find the rising level of water. Children, if this is having full water, if you put this in this, how much will be the rising level of the water? That is the question. If you put this solid in this tank, then how much will be the rising level of water? So, how you will do, children? Anyone? Volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cuboid. Who will tell? Anyone? Volume of cylinder, how much, children?
Sir, pi r square h is equals to lbh
Okay.
is equals to 22 by 7 into diameter is 56. So radius is equals to diameter by 2 is
28.
equals to 28.
The rising level we should find out. So,
Yes,
32.
equals to 32 into 22 into 14.
This we should find out.
Yes,
Okay. So, H is equal to
h is equals to 22 into 32 into 14 into 7 by 22 into 28 into 28.
okay, 14 twos are 7 fours are 22, 22 gone. 4 to the 8, 8 fours are 32. So how much is the raise in the height? 4
4
centimeters.
centimeters.
If you dip this in this, 4 centimeters raise in volume will be there. If you dip this in this, 4 centimeters raise in volume will be there, children. Okay, try to understand, children, like that. Okay, 24th question, children. 24th question. Rectangular sheet of paper 30 into 18. Rectangular sheet of paper 30 centimeters into 18 centimeters is there. Okay, it can be transformed into CSA of cylinder in two ways, either by rolling the longest side or rolling the short. Find the ratio of volumes of two cylinders in this form. Children, if you roll it along longer side, if you roll it along the longer side, how it will become, children? This will become 2 pi r. 2 pi r will be 30 and the height remains 80 if you roll along longest side. Okay, Meghana, can you tell this some? If you roll along
Y-
shortest side,
Yes, sir.
if you roll along shortest side,
Side.
if you roll along shortest side,
Um,
this 2 pi r will be
18.
and 18. This remains 30 only.
30.
Height is 30. Now, what is the ratio of CSA in this case and this case is asking? CSA. First,
CSA.
how much is the radius here?
Radius is equal to 15.
30 by 2 pi.
30 by 2 pi r.
Here, how much is the radius? 18 by
18
2
by
pi.
2 pi r.
Now tell me
2 pi.
CSA in the longer case, CSA in the shorter case. Okay, 2
CSA is
pi
2 pi r है 1
R1 H1
h1
by
by 2 pi r2 h2.
R2 H 2 by 2 pi. What is the radius in this case?
30 by 2 pi.
And what is the height in this case? 18.
18.
And what is the radius in this case?
18 by 2 pi
And what is the height?
into 30.
Into 30. So 2 pi
2
gone.
pi cancel.
30 30 gone. 18 18 gone. So 1 is to
1.
1 is the ratio. Okay, children, 1 is to 1 is the ratio, children. All of you. Those who didn't understand, here I found out really because when you are rolling along the longer side, this will round, this will become round. So it's 2 pi r is equal to 38. When rolling along the shorter side, 18 will become 2 pi r, children. Means the circumference will become 2 pi r like that. Okay, children. So 1 is to 1 you got, children, answer in the two cases ratio. 24th, but they give 5 is to 3, children, answer. Find the ratio of the volumes, Nana. They asked. I'm sorry. They asked. Find the ratio of the volumes, Nana. That's why they got wrong answer. They asked. Find the ratio of volumes, not CSS. Okay, children. CSA is remaining 1:1 only. Volumes. V1 by V2 by
Pi r1 square by h1
by
by pi r square 2
R2.
by h2.
So
Pi
R1
pi
square is
cancel.
how much?
30 by 2 pi
Whole
into
square.
ask whole square
Okay.
by
Eight
18 by 2 pi whole square.
whole square. H1 is how much? 18.
18 into
H2 is
30. 30.
H2 is 30. Now let's simplify this. So anyway, this will become 30 square. 2 pi square anyway it will get cancelled. 30 into 30 into 18. And here how
1
much,
by
Nana?
28 into 20,
18 into 18.
18, 8 into 18 into 30.
18, 18 cancel, 30, 30 cancel. 5, 5, 3 tens are 3 6
6 are
5, 2 5s are 2 3s are.
3 are
Yes, 5 by 3, that is 5 is to 3.
5 to 3.
Ratio of the volumes is 5 to 3. Now correct answer we got. Previously I found out CSA, I got 1:1, which was wrong given in textbook. So children, you should do slowly like this and like this. Children, please copy. I hope you everyone copied. Okay, like this we have to do, children. Next one, very very interesting sums, children. This will be. If you do now, no children, after you go to higher classes, it will become cakewalk for you to do these sums. Next, 26th sum, 20. Cylindrical content, 25th sum, 25th sum. Harsha, tell me 25th sum. The
Yes,
rain
sir.
which is falls on a roof, rain is falling on a roof, 18-meter long is the roof length. Okay, 18-meter long, and the breadth will be there. No? Breadth is breadth of the roof is 16.5 meters. 16.5 meters. Okay, rain is falling in this container like this. It is falling. When it is falling in this container, uh, whatever water is falling here, see the rainwater which is falling in this container is stored in a cylindrical container. It's stored in a cylindrical container. Later it is transferred and stored in cylindrical container. Uh, Cylindrical container diameter is 8 meters. 8 meters. Okay, and it is raining 10 centimeters in one day. So the rainwater is 10 centimeters. So 10 centimeters. So when you put that water, what will be the rise in level here? So, children, I'm saying how they will measure the height of a rainfall in the newspaper or news. You will be seeing, no, today 9 centimeters rainfall is observed in the city. Today 10 centimeters, 15 centimeters. How means like this one, children. In a hollow container, cuboidal container, after rain, how much will be the level in the rise in the water? They will see here. 10 centimeters means 10 centimeter rainfall, like that. So, children, Harsha, what you will do here? All the water here is kept here. How much will rise? How much will be the rise in volume of
Volume of cuboid, sir.
is equal
Cuboid is
to,
equal to volume of the cylinder.
so what you will do? Volume of cuboid LBH is equal
LB is
to
equal to pi r square h.
LBH how much? 18 into
18 into 16.5 into 10 is equal to
centimeters to meters by 100.
900 is equal to 18 to h.
This H you have to find out. Okay.
Okay.
So this 10 I'm putting, this 10 gone. So what I will do? H I should find out. H means 7 you send it up. 18 165
165 by 100 into
7.
107 by
Beside 100, who will go? 22 will go, 4 will go, 4.
4.
Now you have to simplify. If you simplify, you will get the correct answer. Okay, how much? If you look, 2s are 9s are 4 is there. So anything will go. Nothing is going on. So 9 into 165 into 7 by 100 into 22 into 2 is there. Is there going anything, children? Anything we can simplify?
Sir, 100 and 165 we can simplify, sir.
Okay, 5 20s are 5 3s are 5 3s are. Now 11 will go. 11 2s are 11 3s are. Anything else? 9 3s are 27. 27 into 7 by 80. This is 80. 7 8 7 the 49, 7 to the 14, 189 by 80. So 80 into 189 means 2 is a 160. Okay, how much you come? 8 3 are 2.
2.365.
Okay, so 8 7 are 56, 8 5 are 40, 8 6 are 48. So 2.36 centimeters will be raised in volume of water in cylinder. In cylinder. In cylinder, how much is the raise? 2.36 meters. This is the raise in the level of water in cylinder. This is how you are. Okay, children. So next question. Raghuram, are you there? Okay, Raghuram is not there. Meghana told. Hansika, you want to say? Hansika?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 26th sum. 26th sum. They are saying a piece of ductile metal is in the form of cylinder. This is in the form of cylinder of diameter. Diameter is how much means 1 centimeter and length is 5 centimeter. It is drawn into a wire. This is melted and drawn into a wire. This is melted and drawn into a wire. Hansika, what is a wire? What is the geometrical shape of wire? Geometrical shape of wire? Cylinder only. Very good. The diameter of the cylinder formed is 1 mm. What will be the length of the wire? What will be the length of the wire? This is melted and casted into the wire. So what you will do then? Volume of cylinder is equal to
Volume of water.
volume of cylinder. How will you do? Pi r square h is
Pi r square h is equals to pi r square h.
That will cancel.
Uh,
Radius is how much? Radius? 1
It's
by 2.
1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 5 is equals to 1 by 2
mm to centimeter by 10. Mm to centimeter by 10. So 1 by 20. 1 by
1 by 20 into h.
5. So this 20 will go up. So what you will do? 5 into
5 into 20 into 20 by 2 into 2.
So 500 centimeters. What do you mean by 500 centimeters? 5 meters.
5 meters.
5 meters of wire is drawn out. Okay, children, like that you should do. Okay, Vedant, next one, 27.
Yes, sir.
Find the length of 13.2 kg of copper wire. There is a copper wire like this. Its mass is given 13.2 kg and diameter is given as 4 mm. Okay, 4 mm. Where 1 cc weighs 8.4 grams.
Okay. Sir,
So-
first we'll find the we'll make the radius and we have to find the length. And we'll
No,
multiply.
first find volume. First find volume.
First one volume. Okay.
How?
Pi r square h.
No, not like that. 1 cc is 8.4 grams. So 13.2 into 1000 is 13,200 grams is how many cc? You'll get the volume. 1 cc is 8.4 grams. Okay. So how many cc will weigh 13,200 grams? Cross multiplication do. So how much?
1,003.
13,200 by 8.4.
8.4.
If you remove this point here 0, this is volume. Now once you know the volume, you can find out the length. How you will find out? Volume is equal to
Pi r
r
square.
square. So 132,000 by 84 is equal to 22 by 7 into. So this is radius is 2 mm. 2 mm means how much centimeters? 2 by 10.
2 by 10 centimeters.
2 by 10.
10 into 2 by
2
10.
by 10 into h you should find out. Okay, so
7, 10 and 10 will go up.
7 on the 7 2s are 14. So 22 6 are 6 2s are 2 5s are. So 2 5s are 2 5s are 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125.
125.
125 centimeters. If you convert it to meters, 125 meters of copper wire. So how I found out volume, you should understand, children. 1 cc is 8.4 grams means how many cc is 13,200 grams. 1 cc is 8.4 grams means how many cc is 13,200. First I found out volume. From volume I found out radius. You should have a lot of stability while doing the sums, children. Okay, if you don't know what you are doing, then you will never understand the sums, children. Unnecessarily, you will claim that maths is very tough. Maths is very tough. You will claim. Only thing is you should have stability, balance, coordination, everything when you are doing the sums. 28 sum. Pravalika, read it.
Yes, sir.
28 sum. Brass wire is there. 2.2 decimeter cube brass wire is there. Decimeter cube means this is volume. 2.2 decimeter cube of brass wire is there. Can you draw a cylindrical wire of 0.25 centimeters in diameter? 0.25 centimeters in diameter. Okay. Find the length of the wire. Jana, your turn. Volume is equal to
Volume is equal to pi r square h.
0.2
2.2
decimeter cube. Decimeter to meter by 10.
by
Decimeter to meter.
10.
Decimeter to meter
By 10.
by 10. But meter decimeter cube means
By 10 into 10 into 10
this point will go. Okay, 10
into
is equal to 22 by 7.
22. In-
Radius how much? Nana? Radius is 0.25 by 2. How to convert centimeter to meter? Nana?
in-
By 100. By 100. So 0.25 by 200. 0.25 by 200 into h. This you have to find. Okay, Nana, if you remove this point also, two more zeros will come. If you remove this point also, two more zeros you will get. Okay, you are able to understand? Four zeros gone. This 22, this 22 gone. Okay, na?
Yes.
So what we do? 25 8s are 200, 25 4s are 100. So h is equal to 8 4s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 into 7 is the answer. 7 4 is 28, 7 42, 448 meters. 448 meters is the length of the wire. So here, children, what is the primary thing which you should know how to convert? Slowly you should convert, children. See, dm to meters by 1080, centimeters to meters by 180. I removed the points, I cancelled. So all these things you should have a sound knowledge. Then only you will understand, children. Okay, if you don't know the conversions, lot of difficulty you will face while doing the sums. Next 29. Nandika, can you tell? Is your mic all right? Okay. Next, Rishikesh. The difference between
Yes,
inside
sir.
and outside, whenever I ask you, always you get hollow cylinder. I don't know why. Whenever I ask you, hollow cylinder.
Yes.
So the difference between inside and outside surface of cylinder and tube, 14 centimeter long. This is 14 centimeter long is 88. Okay. So outer CSA minus inner CSA is 88 centimeter square. If the volume of the tube is 176 cc. Find the inner and outer radius. Bigger and smaller is asking. Volume of the tube is this much. Volume of the hollow tube is how much, Nana? Pi h.
Pi h into big R square minus small r square.
Volume of the hollow tube. Okay. So
Yes.
176 is
176 is equals to 22 by 7 into 14 into big R square minus small r square. 7 to cancel, 44 into 78. 44 is equals to r big R square minus small r square.
Okay. Now what we will do inside? Now what we will do inside? CSA difference is given. What is the difference in the CSAs again?
88 centimeter squares.
That also be simplified. So if you simplify, outer CSA is 2 pi h
Pi
big R
h in big R
2
minus
pi
2
h
pi h small r is equals to 88.
2 pi
2 in,
h.
yes, r minus smaller big R minus smaller is equals to 88. 2 into 22 by 7 into 14 into big R minus small r is equals to 88
This
is
is
equals,
88 gone. Big R minus small r is 1.
yes,
Big R minus small r is
smaller is 1.
what is R square minus R square formula?
Plus R into R.
R plus r into r minus r,
Is equal to 4. But this
4,
is given as 1.
1,
So R plus R into
R
1 is equal to 4.
4
R plus R is equal to 4.
into 4.
Now r minus r is how much? 1.
1.
So bigger, smaller cancel. 2r is equal to how much? 5.
5.
So radius is how much? R is equal to how much?
2.5 centimeters.
2.5 centimeters. So now we have so many equations. R minus R is there, R plus R is there. So R minus R is equal to 1. 2.5 minus R is equal to 1. R is equal to 1.5 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
So like this you should do, children. Very nice sums, children, there. So see how you have to concentrate, children, and doing all the sums. You have to practice over the class 3-4 times. Then you will never forget, children. In the higher classes, it will become very easy for you to solve like this sums. Okay, in textbook level, they won't give all the sums, children. Okay, last sum. Okay, last sum, children. 30th sum. Okay, Meghana, tell me 30th sum.
Yes, sir.
So the question is, water flows through a cylindrical pipe whose internal diameter is 2 centimeters. Water is flowing out like this, whose diameter is 2 centimeters. Okay, and they are saying that at the rate of 6 meters per second, this water is falling at the speed of 6 meters per second. 6 meters per second. Okay, it is falling into another cylindrical tank. It is falling into another cylindrical tank whose radius is 2 meters. Whose radius is 2 meters. No, 60 centimeters. Question is, find the rise in the level of water. Find the rise in the level of water. What do you do? This is also cylinder, this is also cylinder.
Volume of cylinder is equal to volume of another cylinder. Pi r square h is equal to pi r square h.
Okay, radius
Pi
is
pi cancel.
1
2 centimeter
radius is 1 centimeter. Centimeter to meter by 100.
by 100 into
1
1 by 100 is
Here only actual thing comes. This height we should take as speed into time, because height is some distance only. No, distance is equal to speed into time. This height is some distance. Distance is equal to speed into time.
speed into time.
1 second time they didn't give, no.
Time they didn't give, sir. Yes, sir.
They give the rate of 6 meter. Find the rise in 30 minutes. Question is 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, how much is the rise in level? So height is speed into time, no? Speed into time.
Speed into
And
time.
here radius is
60 by 2
100.
by 100 into 60 by 100.
This h you should
into
find out. This h you
h.
should find out. Okay. Now let's substitute the values. Let's substitute the values. Okay. Children, first simplification, anything is there, 0, 100, 100 gone. So see here,
S into t is equal to 60 into 60 into h.
So height, the speed is how much?
Speed is 6 meters per second. 6
Time is
into
30 minutes.
30
How to convert minutes to seconds?
into
60. Minutes to
60.
seconds into 60.
60 into 60 into h.
60 gone. 6, 10, yeah.
10s
10,
are
3. So
h is
3
equal to
meters
3 meters.
is rising
Raise in
level of
water
in 30
in
minutes.
30 minutes.
Like this. See, children. So what I did, children, this height I took speed into time. That height when to take speed into time, you should know, children. Then only you will be in a position to do the sum. Okay, children. So remaining sums will do tomorrow.